having goods finances, we are proposing them certain options and bringing the leads to department. Department will help you generate those leads into Excel conversions, and whatever revenue department will make out will be sharing between student and family who is helping. Okay, so you're getting it done. Start on Saturday and Sunday. Why? Because when you go to these locations on Saturday, Sunday, you'll understand the ground condition. And then if you feel that yes, there is a need, we need to have some deals, we are open to it. We have already structured it. We have mentioned it a grid structure. Yani up to a particular value, if you do up to 5k, 10 deals, up to 10k, it is 20, and 10k and above, it is all for 30. Now you see, you may have a thought here, deal के साथ how you connected, why you connected this revenue. कुछ लोग सुन नहीं रहे हैं या they are like busy somewhere else. What I'm saying, you have to get it done. By there is no second thought. Now you are asking me a question कि deals को क्यों revenue से connect किया? We are working in a private setup. Nothing is free. There is an opportunity cost for everything. So if I make it free evermore, you know your batch better than me. They'll enjoy it without any output. So our intent is, if we are able to generate something, we are here to give you extra deals, and deal is to be justified. ऊपर वाले जो बैठे हैं ना top management, they need a clear demarcation as to why are you giving 5, 10, 20 deal to a particular person. So we need to have a criteria fixed to justify that yes, you deserve 30 out of 30 deals for this project. Why? Because you are doing some good job. And one day, on an average, 5 classes will be there, 5 to 6 classes will be there. So 30 hours means total 5 days of deal. 5 days of deal, full day deal. Okay? Now you see, I am sure none of you is having 100% attendance. Who is having 100%? Are you?
No.
What about you? You raise this concept of deal. Anyone who is having 100%? तो I am very blunt. Blunt हूँ मैं थोड़ा सा. क्योंकि जब आपसे डिमांड आती है ना, मैं भी आगे रखता हूँ. मेरा बॉस इज वेरी ब्लंट. क्या वो वैसे ही शॉर्ट चल रहे हैं, 50% पे स्ट्रगल कर रहे हैं, आपको डीएल चाहिए उसके लिए. हाउ कैन आई डिफेंड योर केस? ओनली वे इज यू मेक योर सिस्टम सच इट इज ऑल आउटपुट ड्रिवन. ठीक है, यू डू इट ऑन सैटरडे संडे, नो डीएल रिक्वायर्ड, वंडरफुल, कोई नहीं कुछ कह रहा. बट कन्वर्जन्स आर मस्ट. Can you, ये पूरी क्लास है. Do you think you are working in a bank and without opening an account only going to field talking to 20, 30, 40, 50, 100, 200, 500 people every month will fetch you your salary? कोई लीड नहीं आ रहा. Do you think you will be getting your salary? सरदार जी आप मुझे बताओ, बिजनेस कर रहे हो, आपने इतने 50 लोगों की फौज बिठा रखी है, ये सारे बेवकूफ़ बनाते हैं, गाँव जाते हैं फोटो खींच के आ जाते हैं. उन फोटो से आपको कोई रेवेन्यू मिल रहा है? मिल रहा है? क्या मिल रहा है आपको? समझ आ रहा है मैं क्या क्या? हाँ जी, लीड मिलेगी. लीड मिलेगी. तुम्हें भरोसा है इन पे? तुम्हारी कंपनी 3 महीने में बैंकरप्ट हो जाएगी. किसी पे नहीं है ना, कोई किसी पे नहीं करता है यार. आई डोंट ट्रस्ट, मेरे स्टाफ पे मैं ट्रस्ट नहीं करता.
क्या बात कर रहे
हैं? तुम्हारे सामने बोल रहा हूँ, और ये स्टाफ समझ रहा है कि मैं ट्रस्ट कर रहा हूँ. ट्रस्ट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. मैं क्लास में इंस्पेक्शन पे आ रहा हूँ, व्हाट डज इट मीन? सिस्टम किसी पे ट्रस्ट नहीं कर रहा. They do have CCTV coverage also, but they want physical inspection.
So what about those who have communication gaps? Like some of us are not from Punjab, and I particularly do not know how to speak in Hindi. So if you're going to penetrate into villages, right? So how can we fix that communication gap there? So could this be done as a group project where like 3 or 4 people go together and?
Yes. There are 2 parts of your question which I feel. A student from Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Andhra, language barrier. You go to local area, they don't listen. And I struggled a lot convincing local people. You have to speak in Punjabi. Huh? So now my suggestion is, we don't have any geographical limitation. If you are able to generate leads from your native place and getting these conversions done as per what department is expecting, you are going to get your full marks. My concept is, if you are delivering 30 out of 30, no deduction should be there. If you are not delivering and just giving me diplomatic answers, 0 out of 30. Diplomacy is total 0. Output driven, 30 out of 30 or 0. So we have only 2 extremes. No one in mid. Go to either 0, take your call of yours, take 0 or take 30 out of 30. And you are free to do it anywhere in India, not outside India, because again, outside India, we may not be able to facilitate it. loaning and all we can facilitate within it. Okay. ITR return, I know people in my department who are helping, like you see MSME sector players in Odisha, setting up their, like you see, I don't know which industry, must be something to do with a recycling plant. He's setting up, helping this institution, setting up a recycling plant, sitting in LPU.